Big up all of them. Big up my cousin Rasta. You know what I mean? From foreign. You know what I mean? Big up Rasta, you know?
Greetings, greetings, blessings. You know it's the Crocus bag farmer, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm here in the southern western part of Jamaica, St Elizabeth to be exact. And we're here in the peanut pulling process. And I just wanted to let you know that, this is where we get the best peanut. Cornwall District, Cornwall PO, St Elizabeth. Remember, it's the Crocus bag farmer, ladies and gentlemen. Big up on yourself. We are pulling peanut in Cornwall District. So bless up on yourself. Subscribe, like, and share if you love the farming. Zine, from evening till the morning. More life, more joy, more happiness. Bless.
Yeah. So we ask myself on it.
Yeah, see yourself.
Yeah, man, we ask
Alright.
myself.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here in the peanut field with a general, one of the farmers here.
Yeah.
Kenny, my cousin.
Yeah.
Luke.
Don't
And
know.
Just wanted to ask you, look, how long the peanut take to come to maturity? How long it take for you pull it?
We get it 3 months.
Within 3 months it
3
ready.
months
After
it
you
ready.
plant it.
After when you plant
It no matter if it a rain hard or if a dry time.
No,
Yeah.
it's a rain dry.
When it rain time, when it dry time, 3 months we deal with it.
Okay.
Big up the farmer, them Cornwall we come from,
How
don't
you mean?
know.
Yes.
St. Elizabeth.
Tell him say when it's a rain, you give.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know that we are here in Cornwall District, and I'm talking here to Luke, and he's one of the major production here with rye in Cornwall. It's the best peanut that we're dealing with. So if you want the best peanut, whether roast or raw, you can link up the generals them in Cornwall. Just come Lacovia in St Elizabeth and ask for rye, Luke, or anybody up in Cornwall, and them have the best peanut, ladies and gentlemen. So big up on yourself. Remember, it's the Crocus bag farmer. Yeah, we love the farming from evening till the morning. You have nobody where you want to big up in that area?
Big up my Kawa, big up my brother John, big up one Libyan thing. Don't know farming we deal with.
Oh, you mean Jenna?
Farming we deal with.
Every day,
Original,
every day.
radical, look, anything.
Oh, you mean?
Don't
Bless
know.
up on yourself, people.
Yeah, man. Oh, you man. Maggie Wally.
Greetings.
Yeah, man.
We have some Jenna.
Yeah, you know.
Yo, people, this is one of the generals them in a Cornwall here, sir, government, I him run the peanut parliament, The
Yeah.
man ya take it from the ground and bring it out to different parishes.
Yeah, man.
So, I want you to answer a question for me. How is the peanut business as far as a hustle?
Well, we can't give up on peanut. Peanut is a thing where it never out of style.
Yeah.
Everybody eat peanut, so we try to spread it all over the globe in Jamaica, and we don't want it to even go international. You see me? I'm a big up the Rasta family here to make we know say the Crocus bag thing we want. No say I Crocus bag thing we into right now. So you don't know.
Crocus bag of peanut. Yeah, man.
Cornwall with there,
Crocus bag of herbs,
Yeah, man.
Crocus bag of cocoa, Crocus bag of potato,
Yeah, man.
Crocus
Yeah,
bag of
man.
cassava.
Straight farming we do up
Yeah,
there,
man.
sir.
Yeah, man. So remember,
Straight
I know
farming.
people. St Elizabeth with the, St. Bess, and with the Lacovia area, you can just turn up the hill, that's why dry harbor, Cornwall. From you reach Lacovia Island, Bamboo, ask your Cornwall.
Yeah, man.
You know,
Yeah,
so we
man.
up on the hillside.
Yeah,
so
man.
a farming, we are dealing with from evening to a morning.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, government.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
the
man.
real
Respect
farming
you, man.
parliament.
Respect you,
Oh, you
man.
mean?
We
Yeah,
want,
man,
we want
bless
to
us.
make it thing wide. You see?
Yeah, man, worldwide,
What
man,
you mean, man?
international thing,
What you
man.
mean,
Because
man?
farming, the farmers, them are play God.
Yeah.
Them think about other people. Them not just think about themselves.
Self
God.
alone. Yeah,
the
man.
farmers
Yeah, man.
peanut, that
And,
woman-
and we have cereal, we have cocoa,
Yeah,
we
man.
have corn, we have tobacco, we have every little thing.
potato,
Yeah,
everything,
potato.
man.
Yeah, man.
The herbs, them they
Yeah,
here, like,
man.
the vervine,
Yeah.
strong back, all kind of
Every
thing
little
they here,
thing
man.
there, so you don't
Yeah, man.
know.
Yeah, man.
It's a
So,
Crocus bag thing.
yeah, man, you don't want to yell up nobody in that area, right?
Yeah, man, big up the whole of Cornwall and the whole of farmers them, and big up mommy and daddy and everybody.
every time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So make up on the mind, say, yo, a farming you deal with. Say, just link up Cornwall, St Elizabeth.
Yeah, man. Bless up. Bless
yeah,
up.
man. More life. More life. Yo, give me a shot at the pound, cause. See it there. Yeah, man, bring in the bread, man. Tomorrow now.
Turn around the sun and come up a Rasta, you know.
Nah, bring up the bread.
Bombo. I put it every day for come up.
Bird. You see me if you go buy one back of Barney rum.
No Barney done.
Go buy man. Live big. God Jesus. Right. You walk down the can go buy man.
Yeah, make a bring up your bread, man. Bring up your bread, man. Fuck up your work, man. As the rain want come. And that much them pull off in the morning, ladies and gentlemen. All that whole field since morning. Probably about 2 hours ago, you know. And they still at it. In real life. So the farming going on.